Want to eat like you're at your favorite cafe or restaurant? In today's video, we'll make 5 easy sandwiches with simple ingredients that look amazing, and of course, have no extra calories. Let's start with sweet sandwiches. It's simple but absolutely irresistible. Use ingredients you probably already have at home. 1 banana, 3 strawberries, half a tablespoon of 100% cocoa, liquid stevia, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt, one slice of whole grain bread, for garnish, add 4 blueberries, 1 tablespoon of mango juice, which you can find in the frozen section of most grocery stores. The colors, the freshness, and the flavor, it's magic on a plate. For this tropical-inspired sandwich, you'll need half a ripe mango, to make a simple, healthy chocolate sauce, mix 2 tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt, 1 teaspoon of 100% cocoa, liquid stevia, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix the sauce ingredients until smooth. Use fresh bread for a soft texture, or toast it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 minutes if you prefer it crispy. Spread the chocolate sauce over the bread, layer with mango slices, and sprinkle with 1 tablespoon of feta cheese. Friends, make sure to choose whole grain bread without added sugar or unnecessary fat. This way you can enjoy your sandwiches without worrying about extra calories. This sandwich is light, flavorful, and only 200 calories. This sandwich is a true treat for your taste buds. Start with 1 ripe kiwi and recreate the chocolate sauce we used earlier. To assemble, spread the sauce on 1 slice of whole grain bread. Layer kiwi slices on top, and add some texture with 1 teaspoon of seeds or nuts. For extra sweetness, drizzle with half a teaspoon of honey. Then add 1 tablespoon of feta cheese and 1 teaspoon of raisins. If you're looking for a more satisfying option, this sandwich is for you. You'll need half an avocado. Lightly toast your bread on a dry pan, or leave it soft if that's your preference. For the scramble, lightly spray a pan with a touch of oil, just enough to coat the surface. Use 100 milliliters of egg whites, or swap for 1 whole egg if you prefer. No extra salt is needed, as we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of salty feta cheese. Now, assemble the sandwich. 1 slice of bread, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened yogurt, 2 tablespoons of cooked beans, the egg scramble, slices of avocado, a pinch of salt if you feel it's needed, half a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds, a sprinkle of black pepper and Italian herbs, finish with a little extra cooked beans for garnish. A delicious, nutritious option with minimal fat. Perfect for any meal. This sandwich is proof that simple ingredients can create something extraordinary. Slice up 2 small cucumbers. Layer the cucumber slices on. 1 slice of whole grain bread, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt, 1 tablespoon of cooked beans, 1 tablespoon of feta cheese. Decorate with 5 blueberries for a pop of color. It's light, refreshing, and unbelievably tasty. Give it a try, and you'll see how something so simple can taste so good. No No cafe experience is complete without a warm, comforting drink. And this apple cinnamon tea is just the thing to elevate your table presentation. You'll need 1 apple, peeled and thinly sliced. Arrange the apple slices in a line. Roll them into a rose and place them in your favorite mug. Add a sprinkle of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey, pre-brewed tea such as mint, black, or your favorite type. To make it extra special, garnish with 2 cinnamon sticks. The result? A fragrant, beautiful tea that's as delicious as it looks. Friends, help my channel grow. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves cafe-style food and wants to recreate it at home. With love, Karina, your nutritionist.